जन्मदिनमिदं अहि प्रिय सखे जन्मदिनमिदं अहि प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वरः सदा त्वां च रक्षतु ईश्वरः सदा त्वां च रक्षतु यज्ञकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्.
Basically, when we speak about the Indian Vedic Hindu Sanatan Dharma tradition, there is no celebration practice that is mentioned in the four Vedas or Shastras or Upanishads or even our epic like Ramayana or Mahabharata. So basically, celebrating birthdays we have adopted from Westerners, mostly British as well as Mughals, and this is not a part of Indian culture. Okay, today we have adopted this culture. Can we modify it a bit to suit to our Vedic tradition? Yes, it is possible. How it is possible? Basically, my Acharya used to say there are many mantras. My Acharya used to teach us many mantras in Vedas which speaks about increasing the lifespan by doing yajna. As you know, in yajna there is a Brahma, that is the knower of four Vedas, sitting in yajna and giving blessings as well as teaching us Ved mantras. In this case, like when I go to my Acharya, he is the Brahma and he teaches us Ved mantras. So Ayu Yajnena Kalpantam, there are mantras in Yajurveda which speaks about increasing the lifespan by yajna. So my Acharya says for birthdays we can celebrate by doing yajna in presence of Acharya. So that is the best way to celebrate birthday, as well as the result of celebrating a birthday will also get us long life, get us Ashirvad of blessings of Almighty God, blessings of Acharya, blessings of elders and parents. So we can try to adopt yajna to celebrate birthday, or else as you all know that in today's situation a person who has realized Almighty God and his authority in four Vedas is in real scarcity. There are only very few people in this world. One person I know in this world is my Acharya. Apart from that, I don't know of anyone who has this quality today. So in this case, how do we celebrate birthdays? We can do a Agnihotra ceremony at home. If you are not in the habit of doing it on a daily basis, at least on special occasions like a birthday or a wedding day or any other special occasion, you can organize a Agnihotra at home, chant Gayatri mantra and then offer ahutis in burning fire with ghee and samagri and also some special sweets which prepared at home, and then you can offer ahuti in the burning fire. By this you will get the blessings of Almighty God with Ved mantras. Of course, Gayatri mantra is also a Ved mantra. So this could be a practice which we can try to adopt. And also, instead of greeting happy birthday to you, you can sing a song like I showed you before. The same song, you can learn it. It's very easy to learn. And then you can greet others by Sanskrit verse instead of doing in English or any other languages. Sanskrit being the mother of all the languages of the world, and the content of that song is also very sweet and beautiful. I will try to explain to you very shortly. The shloka is like this: Janmadhinam idam mai priya sake. Priya sake means our beloved friend or relative whoever is celebrating the birthday. His birthday has come, and then Shantanonute Sarvada Mudam means Anandam, bliss, and Shantana means peacefulness. So on this birthday we are wishing our friend or relative to be happy, to be peaceful, etc. And then Prarthayamahe Bhavashatayushu, Bhavashatayushi. Shatayushi means 100 years. Shatam means 100. Shatayushi means 100 years of age. We are praying Almighty God, Prarthayamahe Bhava, that you have to live for 100 years. And then Ishvara Sada Tvam Cha Rakshatu. Let Almighty God who creates this universe always be with you. And Yajna Karmana Kirti Marjaya. In fact, the song written is saying Punya Karmana. I just modified as Yajna Karmana because Yajna is the Sarvasreshta Punya Karma. Other than, and whatever is the karma which can be Punya or Papa, this knowledge we can gain from Yajna only. So I'm just adding the word Yajna Karmana instead of Punya Karmana. So you may you earn fame, Kirti Marjaya, you earn fame, you earn prosperity, you earn good names by doing Yajna, by doing virtuous deeds. And then Jivanam Tava Bhavatu Sarthakam. May your life be Bhavatu Sarthakam. Sarthakam means fulfilling, satisfied. May your life become fulfilling and satisfied, and you also try to help the world by adopting the Vedic path. So this is a very beautiful greeting, and for the birthday especially, and you can learn this one and then celebrate birthday. And instead of cutting cake, because as I told in previous one of the videos in Hindi and Tamil, cutting cake is an indication of violence because we are using knives, etc., and also blowing off the burning candle. It's indicating that we are going away from light to darkness, whereas our life's intention is to come towards light. Light means the knowledge of Almighty God. So instead of blowing off candle, we can try to light diyas at our home, which is like with ghee or with mustard oil or other oil. And then instead of cutting cake, you can prepare homemade sweets, or you can buy good sweets from a shop which you know of, a popular thing. And then instead of cutting cake, you can distribute sweets to the people who are coming to your home for Agnihotra. So by this sanskar, the younger generation also will learn, okay, this is how we can try to change our way of living to Vedic way. And slowly, by doing these kind of practices and increasing the span of Agnihotra, like instead of doing yearly, you can try to do weekly or monthly. Start with monthly pace, then weekly pace, and then slowly come to daily pace. But with this, we can surely, each and every family who is watching this, everyone, we can try to adopt and come back to Vedic path. And then after you start doing everyday Gayatri Mantra Homa, you can also, I feel that you will get inspiration inside your heart to go and search for an Acharya. And then you will surely end up in the lotus feet of an Acharya to learn Vedic knowledge. And this will definitely happen. So let's all try to celebrate birthday the Vedic way. And then let's revert back to our Vedic culture, Sanatan Dharma. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.